Welcome back with another video. Today we are gonna be doing a unboxing a Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Now it is open. It's really greasy and slippery. So first time, it's this cube feels very weird. It's really loud, but so this is like concave, as you can see, because it's caved in. I'm gonna go compare it to one of my other 3x3 Rubik's cubes. Where is it? Ow. That hurt. So here's my other one. It's very different from my other one. So, yeah. But it's pretty cool. This is probably gonna be my second favorite. My first favorite is my 4x4. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe, like this video, and we will see you next video. Bye guys. Welcome back with another video. Today we are gonna be doing a unboxing a Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up.